This video briefs you the SPSS layout and menu items. SPSS is a statistical product and service solutions. Is a Windows-based program that can be used to perform data entry and analysis and to create tables and graphs. Very importantly, most complicated statistical analysis like multiple regression, hierarchical regression models, analysis of variance, factor analysis, cluster analysis, and non-parametric tests can be easily calculated using SPSS with simple clicks. Now we see how to load SPSS and how actually SPSS and what are the layout and menu items in a SPSS. To start SPSS, if it is a preloaded onto your system, then click on Windows, go to all programs. In all programs, IBM SPSS statistics. Now SPSS is owned by IBM, so click on IBM SPSS, then IBM SPSS 20. So IBM SPSS will be loaded onto your system. So this is called the data editor window in SPSS. So it has got this is a data editor window, and this data editor window has got two views. One is a data view and second one is a variable view. So variable view is a place where you can define your variables. Suppose here variable name, I say variable 1, and type is numeric and with decimals, I will say gender, and takes the values. Just now here you can define your variables, and the data view is a place where your variable 1, variable 2 appears, and your data need to be entered here. So 1, like that. So data view presents your data, whereas variable view gives you an opportunity to define your variables. If you look at the menu items, so here we have a menu bar, and here we have shortcut icons. So we look at the analyze. So what reports can we analyze? Descriptive statistics like frequency tables, descriptives, explore, crosstabs, ratios, PP plots and QQ plots, and tables, custom tables, compare means, one test analysis of variance, ANOVA, then correlation, bivariate, partial distance, regression, automatic linear, and log linear, then scale reduction, reliability. Scale reliability is non-parametric tests like one sample, independent samples, forecasting models. So these are all the statistical tools that we can perform using SPSS. When it comes to the graphs, you have a graph builder. Then data can also be transformed, so compute variables. So these are the various options. And another is when you run an analysis, let us say simply we take a descriptive and frequency. As I'm showing an example. So this is called as an output viewer in IBM SPSS. So now you can see here you have two different windows. So one is your data editor, where you can enter the data, define your variables, and the second one is the output viewer. So output is not presented in data editor window. Output is presented separately in a output viewer. So once you have output viewer here, you can copy the text from here and paste it into your Word document, or you can make a changes here also. So in conclusion, SPSS, that is statistical package for or statistical product service solutions, has got a data editor window and output viewer window. In data editor window we have two views. One is the data view where you view your data entries, and second one is a variable view where you can define your variables